Okay, with numbers that are exponents, the larger number is the base, and the smaller number is the exponent, which is how many times something's being multiplied by itself. So 1.1 is the base, and you're going to multiply that 2 times. It's not 1.1 times 2. And if that had said 3, you'd be doing it 3 times. If it had said 500, you'd do it 500 times. So when we're multiplying, I'm just going to get rid of the decimals for now and do straight multiplication. So 11 times 11 is 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, is 121. Now you want to count how many numbers are after your decimal. 1, 2. So that means you want 2 numbers after the decimal in your answer. So it's going to be between the 1 and the 2. So 1.21 is the answer. 0.96 squared. You know what? Let's make this a cubed problem so you can see how that works, even though I chose the bigger number to do that. Okay, so 0.96 times, if it's cubed, let's do it 3 times. Okay, now to begin with, you just ignore the decimals and do the multiplication. So usually I like lattice multiplication for this, but I'm just going to use the traditional method for right now. 6 times 6 is 36. 9 times 6 is 54. Plus 3 is 57. Then you have a placeholder. And then you do the next one. 6 times 9 is 54. Carry the 5. And 9 times 9 is 81. Plus 5 is 86. And then you add those. So I've got 6, 11, carry the 1, 12, carry the 1, 9. But that's just the first 2 that I just did. I did 1 here and 1 here. But it had an exponent of 3. So now I've got to multiply it by 96 again. Notice I'm still not putting decimals in yet. We don't put decimals in until our final answer. So 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 3 is 9. 2 times 6 is 12. Write the 2, carry the 1. 9 times 6 is 54. Add the 1, 55. Placeholder. And 6 times 9 is 54. Carry the 5. 1 times 9 is 9. Plus 5 is 14. Carry the 1. 2 times 9 is 18. Plus 1 is 19. Carry the 1. 9 times 9 is 81. Plus 1 is 82. Add those. So I've got 6, 13. Carry the 1. 7, 14. Carry the 1. 8, 8. Okay, now for the decimals. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers total after our decimals. So I want 6 numbers after my decimal. So you go from right to left, count 6 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think that's all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you put the decimal. So this is actually the answer to that. Okay, 0.82, squared is 8/10 times 8/10. So this is literally 8 times 8, which is 64. You have 2 numbers total after decimals, so you want 2 numbers after the decimal in your answer. So I like to put a leading 0 if I don't have a number in front of my decimal, so 0.64.